Hello guys, welcome back to Jc.techtv. My name is Henry and this week I'll be substituting Jeremy for this video. And this week we'll be talking about Redragon VARA RGB, the mechanical gaming keyboard. So without wasting much time, let's get up close and personal with this keyboard. The size of the keyboard is 43.4 x 12.4 x 3.81 cm and it features a curved keycap layout. The LED patterns of this keyboard are as shown. Moving on to the colors, there are purple, rainbow, red, green, blue, yellow, sky blue, and white in certain patterns. The keyboard light has 5 levels of brightness that can be adjusted by holding the function key and pressing the up or down arrow keys. Some lighting patterns can be adjusted in terms of speed by holding the function key and pressing the left or right arrow keys. I would like to take note that this keyboard uses a custom blue switches, which is equivalent to Cherry MX green switches. For all you gamers out there, this keyboard also features a Windows key lock option. And at the back of the keyboard, you will find a retractable stand to increase the angle of your keyboard. And this keyboard comes with a gold-plated USB connector. Alright, after 1 week of testing this keyboard, I would like to see an improvement in terms of design of this keyboard. An armrest would be a great addition to this keyboard as my wrist would hurt after a long period of usage. Lastly, the keyboard features an over-engineered, tough metal and ABS casing with a splash-proof design, switchable WASD and arrow keys for specific applications and gaming. To end this video, I would like to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Novero Gaming Store. Link to their Facebook page and this keyboard in the description below. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any feedback, leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Jc.techtv.